Hello, this is Lydell from Halo Inc. I'm going to show you how to set up the this one is the 20 by 16 by 16 boxes using the UV printer. So it's going to be the Mutoh 1638 UH, and then so let's load it up and I'll show you that really quick. So what we're actually going to do, the way I have it set up, I have it set up to where the rolling table is to the side of where we need to input it, so we can simply just drag it and it'll pretty much slide to where it needs to be. Push it forward, and we want to line it up to this corner here and make sure that this edge is lined up to here. Okay, so I have it lined up exactly where I need it to be, and then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go over to the control panel, and we're gonna actually we gotta clamp this in first, make sure it goes all the way down, and we're gonna set it to type 5. And as it's gonna go through its process, what it's actually gonna do, pull out the material slightly, and it's gonna check the height of the material so that we can set the printer head height. So what we're going to want to do, so right now it's at 10.5, that's pretty good, but we can do push up, and we want to set it to the highest possible. So right now it's 10.5, and then we'll push, we could either push enter or it'll automatically accept that, but preferably we'll like to push enter. Alright, next we're going to go over to our FlexiSign editor manager program, and then we're going to import the job. So again, we're going to be printing the 20 by 16 by 16. Right now we are on version 8, as you can see, but we plan to probably change that as we make improvements. But we're going to get that, we're going to add it to our queue, and it's going to pop up here. And so we want to double click on this, and then at the top we're going to actually push this, and it's going to bring out some presets. We want to put it at the 20 by 16 by 16 garment box setting, and it should set it to exactly where we need it to be. So, and to push it a step further, what we can do is decrease this height setting so that it reduces the amount of space in here. So as you can see, it's all blank space. So if we reduce that just to where the bottom of the print actually is, it'll save us a little bit of time in the long run, especially if we're doing a lot of boxes. If we're doing one-offs, it's not super necessary, but it does save a lot of time if we're doing quite a bit. So, and we can just directly push this button, and it should be it. Okay, so it looks like I finished printing. So what we're actually going to do is lift up this lever, and it's going to release the grippers so we can pull this out, and we're going to flip it as so, and line it up again to our corner as well as our front edge. Okay, and as soon as we're lined up again, same process, I'm going to push down on the lever all the way down, and type 5, select. And this next process is going to be a little easier because we had already set up our file to what we want it to be. We're just going to click send, or make sure we have the correct one selected, and we're going to hit send right up here at the top. Alright, and that's it. And as you can see, the printer is printing, and it's pretty much getting finished. So it's going to feed it out slightly. You see display, it's going to set printing, and it's going to be there, and it's complete. So what we're going to do is unlatch it again. So we have one side and then the other. Very simple, very easy. That is the process. So now we look super professional. So thank you for watching.